So this is Tecno Pop, Tecno Pop Wind Perform hard reset. I think you can see this is the model. Hard reset. Going to use power button plus volume up. Power button, volume up. Power button, volume up, power button. Sorry, power volume up, power button. Power button, volume up. After this, look at all these buttons. Use volume up. Select. So select this. The first step here, the recovery mode. Recovery mode here. So what you do, you check here. Use volume down. Select. Volume down. Select. Then no. Down. Select. After selecting, how will you grow? Break how? What will you? So on this step, going to use volume down, power button plus volume up, power button, volume up. Then go down and select factory reset. Use volume down, select power button to scroll, volume down, select power factory reset and reset as you now reset the factory. Yes, okay. Password is now set. Now it's set forward. Today, previous, today, home. Now. Oh.